Hello everyone.
Hello.
My name is Jannat.
Hello everyone, my name is Salwa.
Today we're going to be doing
Experiment
that is called
Sink and Float.
So the ingredients we will need is water, original syrup, oil. So first me and my sister are going to go pour the water. You can use any kind of container, glass, anything you have at home. Next, I will add 1 drip of food coloring and my sister will add 1 drip of food coloring. Now we're done adding our color. Now we have a spoon. Let's mix it together.
Add.
Now we're gonna make it a little bit more darker. So while my sister is mixing it, I'm gonna go put the syrup. So let's stop mixing for 1 second. And so now I'm gonna pour. Whoa, it's going in the bottom. So that means it has more density. Even if you try to mix it, you guys. Now my sister is gonna add some syrup.
Yes.
Oh my. Oh.
That was so
So you guys, look at the color. Green on the top and then dark on the bottom. What if we put the oil on top? Do you guys think it's gonna sink on the bottom or float? Let's see.
Whoa!
It floats. So we're gonna wait, you guys. Even if we mix it does not even go apart. Isn't that so cool? So now, you guys, we're gonna wait 10 minutes. You guys know why we have to wait 10 minutes? Because then when we wait for 10 minutes, and then all of these bubbles you see in here will vanish. So we found some things from inside our house. We looked around our house and then we found some things, right?
Yes.
So we're going to see if it has less density on the bottom. Hey, Salwa, do you know about like these things that we're gonna put in?
I live
Hey,
it.
Salwa, do you know which things float or sink?
I know a little bit. But let's see.
So Salwa, put something in.
Let's put this thing. Maybe it will float
The
down.
magnet? Okay. Whoa, you guys.
Whoa.
Where did it go?
Oh, go under here.
So that means it has more density. Let me try. Let's try this. Whoa, you guys. It has less density. Salwa, is it floating or is it sinking?
Floating.
Whoa.
Let me try this.
The bottle. Let's try. Whoa.
Whoa.
Did it sink or did it float?
Float.
So you guys, let me try. Let us try this gun here. Whoa, it floated. Even if we push it down, it doesn't. So you guys, I will add this little Barbie toy. So let's see if it will sink or it'll float. Whoa, it sinked. That means that it has more density. That's why it's in the bottom.
Let me try now.
What are you putting in?
A rock.
Whoa, let's see.
Whoa.
Where did it go?
Is it invisible?
Whoa.
Under here.
I see it. That means
But when is gonna come here?
That means it has more density. Let's try. Let's see this. Whoa. It has less density. Why don't you try this Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Whoa, where did it go? Whoa, I see the Mickey Mouse right there. More density. Hey, you guys, why don't we try? I had an idea. Why don't we put these things both together at the same time? 3, 2, 1. Let's see if we're going to go in the same place. Oh, whoa, this aerial thing just gone right in the middle of the oil. So it's a pillow for the picture of the princess. But what about the other one, our dinosaur? Where did that go? It must have synced.
Let me try now. I think I should try this.
Oh. Whoa! It gone on the bottom.
Yeah.
It synced, guys. Why don't we use a pencil? Oh, now I have a pencil.
Whoa.
Whoa. It is floating. Whoa, so cool. Hey sis, why don't you try this lid?
Yeah. Wow.
It's floated.
Yeah.
Could this float with this magnet on top?
Whoa.
It flipped over. Where
Yeah.
did the magnet go?
Wow. Where did the magnet go?
That is so cool. So the magnet.
I see the magnet under.
So that means even if something's on top of that lid, it still doesn't sink. But if the magnet's so much heavy, that's why it sinks down, down, down. Now, sis, why don't you try this ball?
I think I should try this.
A little rock. Whoa, try it.
Where did it
Wow.
go? Down over here.
That means it's, what did it do? Sing!
Like
Whoa! So cool! Let's try this ring and this stuck together. Will something get out or will it stay together? Whoa! Where did it go?
It goes down here.
Whoa,
It sinks. You guys, it sinks.
Salwa, the ring was so light and the rock was so heavy. Maybe when we put it together, it makes heavy because rocks are so heavy to pick up. And rings are put together, it becomes heavy. That's why it sinks. So cool! Now,
Yeah.
your turn.
I should try this and this together.
Whoa, a rock and a baby monkey with wings together. This light crystal.
Whoa.
Whoa! Where did it go? It sinked. But you guys, even if it's so small, how did it sink?
Yeah.
Maybe when it's little, but there's still some heavy materials in it. So maybe the heavy materials make we put all of these crystals and rocks together inside. You go first.
Whoa.
Whoa!
under here.
You guys, let's go put my...
Salwa, it's SinkorFloat. Sink.
So cool. My turn. My crystals and my rocks. Where did they all go?
Maybe they sink.
Whoa! Let's try Salwa's thing.
Let's try these together and twice.
Whoa.
Let's put them in one by one. Whoa, it floats.
It floated just like the Ariel. And the pencil floated just like my pencil did.
Yeah.
My Sid, why don't you put all of these together? Inside.
No, one by one.
Why don't you put them? Come
I
on.
think I should put these both.
Go do it, do it, do it. Come on. Whoa! It's in the bottom, but it didn't sink, you guys. All the way down here, we can still see it. That means it's on the water, not on the syrup.
How would this ball?
Let's try. Whoa, you guys, the ball is floated.
Let's try the shoot
Shoot.
toy.
Put it in.
Whoa!
It floated just like mine. So cool.
How would this dinosaur? Maybe it'll float right over here.
Maybe. Whoa, you guys. So many things are floating and so many things are down.
Let's try this.
Carrot. Go. Try.
Whoa!
It's floated.
Let's try its money.
It floated. What about my last thing? Let's try. Hey, Salwa,
What?
do you know about sinking and floating does not depend on the weight?
No, Jenna, I don't
It
know.
depends on its density.
Oh, thank you, Jenna.
Now let's put my last things in.
Whoa! It goes sink.
Now let's
That
try.
crystal.
Wait, you guys. Why don't we get this thing attached with this? Let's see if it's gonna attach. Nope. Let's put them both in. Whoa!
It's gone down
When
here.
we put it both at the same time, this floated, this thing. So cool! Friends, I hope you all try this at home. I know that you guys can use any objects that you have at home. See you all, friends, on me and my sisters next